The menu for project managers is the same as that for inspectors with the following additions or modifications. Under the Management tab, Administration subtab, you can add a site visit report for one of your projects for any user and for any date. You can also add a daily report for one of your projects for any user and for any date. Please note that in this case, you will not be able to import equipment and personnel from a previous report. You will need to add them manually if necessary. You also have access to the list of logins. With the User subtab, you can add a new user. You need to enter their name, which must be unique, their title, preferred language, email address, which must also be unique, and confirm it. The system will generate an access code that you can change if you wish. This code can also be changed by the user. You can choose the electronic signature, and you can add a new user with inspector or project manager access. As explained in the introductory video, the new user will receive an email so they can activate their account. You can also modify or delete a user. You can set the account as inactive, and the application will no longer be accessible to the user. Or you can delete the account in case of an error. However, you will not be able to delete an account if there is at least one report made by that user in the system. Under the Configuration tab, in addition to having access to the client list, you can also add a new client. You can also edit or delete a client. You can do the same for general contractors, masonry contractors, staff, equipment, nuclear density meters, concrete suppliers, types of materials, and material source locations. Under the Project tab, Management subtab, you can add a new project. Enter the relevant project information and upload the Excel file of payable items if applicable. Please refer to the example to follow the requested format. You can modify one of your projects. The first section allows you to modify the general information about the project. The second part allows you to download an Excel file if this has not already been done, or if no installed quantity has yet been added to a daily report. If a file already exists and/or an installed quantity has been added, you can add a payable item to the Excel file. You must choose the category, enter a description, the unit of measurement, the total planned quantity, and the price. Then click on Save Information. You can also delete a payable item if no installed quantity has been added for that item. Select the item, enter Yes, and click on Save Information. You can archive one of your projects. This should be done when your final report is generated and saved on the company server. Enter Yes at the top and press Continue. The application will ask you to confirm that you really want to archive your project. By archiving the project, all reports will be saved, but all photos will be deleted from the application server. You can also upload a document for one of your projects. These documents will be accessible to all users from their daily report, site visit, or quality control report menus. And you have access to a summary cost report for one of your projects. Under the Report tab in the Daily Reports List subtab, in addition to having access to print a report, you will be able, for your projects, to delete a report, lock it, or unlock it. The same applies to the Construction Site Visit List and the Quality Control Report List. For these, in addition to being able to delete, mark, and unmark a report, you will be able to send it by email to a user.